Welcome to the More Greener channel where the videos are always 5 minutes or less. My lawn needs a little weekend TLC, so now I'm going to take you through my weekend routine. Let's get started. First, we're just going to walk around the lawn and pick up dog crap, my favorite. As you know by now, if you've been following my channel, Sharpen lawnmower blades are a huge factor in a green lawn. It's been about 4 mows. What the heck? Let's sharpen the blades. Now we're ready for our morning mow. Remember, take it easy, relax, enjoy, and get every corner as close as you can because you don't want to use that string trimmer any more than you have to, as we talked in my lawn edging video. Next, I'm going to go ahead and trim and edge all around the lawn. Remember, I'm going to edge at 90 degrees and I'm going to run full throttle. If you're wondering why I'm going to run full throttle, I'll link in my bio my video about why I do that and why it's so important. Now, I've been having some crabgrass invade my lawn from the neighbor's yard, so I went to Home Depot and picked up some of this crabgrass killer. I sprayed down a thin layer. Now the crabgrass hopefully will start to turn yellow. We can ID it, pull it up, and get it out of the lawn. Now that everything's cut and fresh, I'm going to lay down some water. Remember, it's important to water after a cut because once those grass blades do receive the cut, they're going to lose moisture out that end and we need to replenish. The way I'm going to water today is I'm going to get 2 birds stoned off the same joint. We're going to throw down some Miracle-Gro lawn food. I love this stuff. It's quick and easy. I don't endorse them by any means, but right now this is what I'm using and I'm pretty pleased. I'm going to throw it into the garden feeder that I have here. It's been about 4 weeks since my last application, so I think we're ready. Now, I like to maintain a really dark green, and there's many ways I try to achieve that, but one helpful way is by throwing down iron. Today I'm going to throw down solid and liquid iron. I like solid because it's a slow release and it might last a little longer, but it doesn't quite give you that bump that you want right away. So we're going to throw down some liquid and watch that new defining line on the properties come to life. What we're going to use for our iron supplements are right here. This is simple stuff you can get at Walmart and Home Depot. Ironite 101. This is some liquid iron I ordered off of Amazon. Fertilizing doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be complicated. Generally speaking, you're not going to mess things up if you read the instructions, and you don't have to spend a lot on name brands because it's all the same crap in my opinion. This is the More Greener channel where we shake things up for greener results. Be sure to subscribe up here and check out some of these past videos. Thanks again.